So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable or enable pop-ups on iPhone. So first of all, go to your settings on your iPhone. Through here you can see some of the options like apps, App Store, Face ID, as well as notifications. Now I'll just show you as an example on one of the apps. So let's open the apps and go all the way down to the letter S to find Safari. Through Safari, as I click on here, you can see default browser app, you can see the language, search engine, you can see some options. In general, it says block pop-ups. So you can click on that. Through here, there aren't any pop-ups that are blocked. If you wish to block them, click on that. So you can see here about tabs, about single tabs, and so on. But for enabling or disabling pop-ups, it will be up to you on here. Now, if you wish to find some more options about that, you can go to your notifications and you can see notifications for stack, a list, account. You can see some Siri suggestions and you can see your notification style for all the apps that you have. So it really makes it easier for you to find if there are any pop-ups that are blocked. But the process for blocking or enabling pop-ups will be pretty much similar to what I just showed you through Safari. If you're using some other browser, that's completely fine. Just make sure that when you do try to enable or disable it, go to this general part of your settings and do click what you want to do at the moment, enable or disable. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.